Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the function y equal to f of x is the solution of the differential equation this. So, first we have to solve this differential equation and then we have to find the definite integration of that function. Okay, so first I had to solve this differential equation. So, we have dy by dx plus xy upon x square minus y is equal to x power 4 plus 2x by root over 1 minus x square, and this thing is defined in this room. So now look at this, look at the ideas what are going in my mind. So I feel that I should apply variable separable method first. So do you think you can like segregate all x together and all y together? No, because here x and y are intact together, so you cannot segregate them. Okay, so you cannot apply variable separable easily. So what we should do, we will apply first filter of variable separable method, that is dy by dx equals to linear function. If you'll observe, you cannot convert your question into that form, correct? So first idea is failing. Then we have second filter as dy by dx equals to linear function by linear function. You cannot convert your question into that form either. Then we have, if we will have x dx plus or minus y dy, we can apply polar form. So we are not observing that thing over here. Okay, so I think variable separable method is not going to help in this question. So we will think about linear differential equation. So how does linear differential equation look like? So it should look like dy by dx plus y, and then here we should have p of x and here we should have q of x, correct? So look at here. So if you'll observe, look at this, dy by dx and y. Now look at this. Don't you think you have converted your question into that form? Yes. Okay, so we will solve using linear differential equation. So how does linear equation will be solved? Linear differential equation, this. So e power px dx both way, e power integration px dx. Here we have y, here we have q of x, and then we have whole integration. Okay, let's substitute things. So e power p of x, so integration x by x square minus 1 dx is equal to integration x power 4 plus 2x upon root over 1 minus x square, and then we have e power integration x by x square minus 1 dx. Now look at this, how we will integrate. If you'll observe, if you will take this thing as z, you will have this thing as dz. Correct or wrong? Correct. Means I will take z as x square minus 1, and look at this, what will happen. So dz by dx is equal to 2x. So x dx will become dz by 2. So we will have y times e power ln x square minus 1 by 2. This is correct or wrong? This is correct. Same problem will occur over here. Integration x power 4 plus 2x upon root over 1 minus x square, and then we have e power 1 by 2 ln x square minus 1 dx. Now look at this. You know that this, do you remember this property where we have a power log b base a is equal to b, है ना? We will apply that property. So for that we have to send this 1 by 2 to the power of this argument. But look at this, if you will send this 1 by 2 to the power, it will become undefined in the given room. Okay, it will become negative. You cannot have negative thing in the inside the square root. Okay, so what I will do, look at here, I will be writing y times e power ln root 1 minus x square. This is very important line. Please solve this thing separately, you will understand. You have x power 4 plus 2x upon root over 1 minus x square, and then e power ln root 1 minus x square. You can, like, now look at this, you can write this thing as y times root over 1 minus x square is equal to x power 4 plus 2x upon root over 1 minus x square, and then root over 1 minus x square. They deliberately put this form so that if you will write root over x square minus 1, you will end up creating problem. Okay, so this thing gone. Now do the integration. So we got y times root over 1 minus x square. We have x to the power 5 by 5, and then 2x square by 2 means x square plus integration constant c. So this is our solution of differential equation. Now to find out value of c, we need to satisfy 0 comma 0. So as the curve satisfies 0 comma 0, we will find out value of c. So if you'll observe, you can directly find out value of c. So this thing will become 0, 0, 0. So we are left with nothing. This means the value of c is what? 0. Okay. Now, so can I say that our function y equals to f of x will become x power 5 by 5 plus x square by root over 1 minus x square. So this is your function. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the definite integration from minus root 3 by 2 to root 3 by 2. So definite integration of minus root 3 by 2 to root 3 by 2, and then we have x power 5 by 5 plus x square by root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay. Now look at this. Wait. The moment you will, like, can I solve this thing into two different questions? Let's convert this question into two different questions. So root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. So we have x power 5 by 5 times 1 minus x square dx plus integration of same thing 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 x square by root over 1 minus x square dx, है ना? You know that if we have to do integration from minus a to a f of x dx, we need to write 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx, correct? So we will break down this question into, means we will apply the property. Okay, so we have first component, so it is minus 5 3 by 2 3 by 2. So we have x power 5 by 5 times 1 minus x square plus. So minus x ka power 5 will become x ka minus of x ka power 5. Okay, by 5 root over 1 minus x ka square will become x square. Okay, so this thing gone, you are left with 0. So this first function will become 0. Now we have second component, root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 x square. Acha, here we will apply, again we will apply that idea, property we will apply. Okay, 0 to this. So x square 1 minus x square plus minus x square will become x square and then 1 minus x square dx. So this is okay. Okay, now look at this. So our question will be converted into 2 times integration from 0 to root 3 by 2 x square by root over 1 minus x square. Now try to simplify this function. I feel that we should go with substitution, and I want to apply this substitution. I want to take x as sine theta. So dx by d theta will become what? Cos theta. Why I am telling you this? You will understand. Look at this. You know that if you take anything as z, your function will change. So if x is 0, okay, so if x is, look at this, your limit will change. So if x is equal to 0, the theta will become 0, sine 0 becomes 0. Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 means what? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 means pi by 3. And this x square will become what? Sine square theta upon 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, and cos square theta ka root will become cos theta, and in place of dx can I write cos theta d theta? This thing gone. So we are left with 2 sine square theta. You know that we cannot integrate 2 sine square theta. So what we will do? We will break down the power. है ना? So we will be writing 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. Now look at this. Integration of 1 is what? Theta. Then integration of cos 2 theta is sine 2 theta by 2. Okay, and we have to apply the limit 0 to pi by 3. So put upper limit. So we will have pi by 3 minus, this thing will become what? 120. Correct? So sine 120 is root 3 by 2 only. So root 3 by 2 into 2, root 3 by 4. Okay, then upper limit 0, lower limit is 0, 0. So we got this as the final result. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.